we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words and some of the most mispronounced ones in English as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Statue. You do want to stress on the first syllable. Note that the second T sound is not a proper T sound. Do not say statue, but a ch sound, a chu sound, both in British English and in American English. The two are similar pronunciations for this as statue, statue. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.